Good afternoon, you are welcomed by Citadel Watch. Ulysse Nardin wristwatches are the true embodiment of style and luxury. Manufactured in Switzerland, they carry the tradition and high-quality characteristic of this famous watch brand. Their stainless steel case ensures durability and reliability, while the 48mm size adds to the impressive look. Tempered glass protects the dial, which is a true work of art. Made of pure silver, the dial is decorated with an exquisite image of a ship with a compass, which adds to the unique character of this watch. 7 diamantes designed in the shape of the constellation of the Big Dipper add extra sparkle and luxury to the dial. The dark blue leather bracelet gives the watch an elegant look, while the new bracelet gives it a fresh look. The mechanical movement with a power reserve of over a day ensures accuracy and reliability for a long time. The wristwatch is in excellent condition, with no defects or chips, making it an ideal acquisition for a private collection. This watch not only measures time, but is a true work of art that will delight its owner every time it is on his wrist. You can buy these and other incredibly beautiful wristwatches from us at Citadel Watch. Link to our website in the description below the video. Good shopping and have a great day.